Welcome to the launch of Westlands Laser Eye Hospital, an ultramodern of its kind. Let's give a round of applause.
It gives me great pleasure today to attend the official inauguration of Westlands Laser Eye Clinic. Universal healthcare is part of the Big Four agenda of His Excellency the President, and this is the way to go. We have not caught up in terms of healthcare to reach the standards of the Western world or the Asian world when it comes to healthcare. But we are doing our level best in order to improve the ordinary health of the common manage. And I am very delighted when I heard that the Westlands the Laser Eye Center will be treating either at discount or free to the less fortunate members of our community. This goes a long way, part of the President's agenda in addressing the health needs of the common citizen.
I would like to remind you that it's also a special day for us women. So to the women in the house, Happy International Women's Day. This facility, though private, is a notable contribution to the society and in Nairobi. We are optimistic that your quality out and inpatient services reinforced by the state-of-art technology, professional healthcare providers will go a long way in contributing to the easing the pressures of our available county eye clinics we have in Nairobi. I remember in my childhood, we used to be told to eat carrots for us to have good eyesight. And for your information, before my mom retired in 2004, she retired, she was an ophthalmologist. So I'm happy to see this progress today. Nairobi County is the eye of Kenya. The Westlands Eye Clinic expression to partner with the county will be key in demystifying the perceptions and lead to adoption of appropriate eye care habits. I'm aware of your Mombasa branch and the good outreach work you have done in Mombasa, screening over 48,000 individuals, provisions of medicine and spectacles to many during the free eye camps in the last 9 years. Though we will be training behind Mombasa, I must say, better late than never, we are anticipatory that Nairobi residents will not only benefit from similar community outreaches, but also have access to affordable eye care services. In partnership with Westlands Laser Eye Clinic, my office will be happy to participate in such welfare activities. The county government has high prospects of the benefits that their populations at all economic levels will yield from this clinic. I want to thank the management and staff of Westlands Eye Laser Clinic for your commitment, enthusiasm, and determination shown towards making a difference in the lives of the people. I declare Westlands Eye Laser Hospital officially open.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for gracing our occasion. Thank you for crowning our event, and thank you for officially opening the Westlands Laser Eye Hospital. Thank you so much.